HTML and CSS are the technologies that web developers use to build websites and web-based applications. HTML is a markup language, which allows students to specify what the computer should display on the screen. Most websites that you experience are built using HTML, and their design or layout is determined by CSS, which specifies the layout of elements on a web page, colors, graphics, and animations. It's the foundational technology for the World Wide Web. In the previous HTML/CSS Basics course, you were introduced to HTML and CSS. In HTML/CSS2, we introduce advanced topics in HTML/CSS and focus on building a professional quality website. Each lesson has a video that introduces a programming concept, exercises, quizzes, and as you progress, there are project steps where you're going to build a website. There's even a built-in code checker to check your exercises. And like the previous course, you work at your own pace, supported by an instructor. So you never feel pressured or that you're falling behind. So is this the right course for you? Well, have you completed UCode's HTML/CSS Basics course? Power on!